In this demonstration, we will configure ticket notifications. In the left menu, click Settings and select Notification Settings. Set notifications for when a ticket request is received, when a new ticket gets created, when a ticket is assigned to a user, and when a customer adds a response to an existing ticket. Select the checkbox for the users to notify when an action is taken on a ticket. In this example, we will select to notify the assigned users for the customers and to notify the ticket's contact. Every time a ticket request is created, the selected recipient will be notified. Task notifications allow you to select the contact to notify when a task is assigned or marked complete. Knowledge items and service items have expiration notifications with an associated threshold of days before expiration. In this example, we will notify specific users that a knowledge item will expire soon. Click Save Settings.